What are y'all doing outside? Come on in, let's talk tractors. My name is Ben Bastert, here with Bastert Farm Equipment in Camp Point, Illinois, and we've been Branson dealers for about 15 years now. We're really excited about this new 2515H. So I want to do a little overview with you folks today and talk about a few key points that we really enjoy about this tractor here. The Branson 2515 series, you're getting a 25 horsepower engine, which means you don't have to worry about emissions. No particulate filters, nothing that's going to get plugged up on you, and more efficiency. You're also going to get a tractor that's going to last a lifetime. Simpler to work on, easier for you and your farming operation. This tractor includes a Branson BL150 loader with a lifting capacity of 2,200 pounds. Now on a 25 horsepower tractor, that's going to be more than enough to handle all of your chores around the farm. Now I want to talk about the 3-point on the Branson 2515 series. Take a look here. It's a category 1 with a lifting capacity of about 2,600 pounds. Perfect for your tiller or any small tool you need to hook up to the back of this machine to get your job done. While we're back here, I also want to mention you've got a 540 PTO with 19 horsepower. Once again, perfect for your tiller or any small implement you need to take care of your chores at home. So I specifically chose the Branson 2515H because it's a hydrostatic transmission. And I'm a big fan of those transmissions because they're simple and easy to operate. Anyone in your family can run this machine safely and easily. At 4,000 pounds, the Branson 2515H weighs more, lifts more, has a higher capacity, and will outwork any tractor in its category. Let's take it for a test drive.